Hello dear fans. What is short circuit? Even school children know that short circuits happen, that they are dangerous and, as a rule, they cut off electricity. But what kind of process it is, and why it leads to such consequences, even people with higher education cannot always explain. You are far from Ohm's laws and can hardly imagine the process of charged particles passing through a circuit. Your profession is not at all connected with electricity and in no way concerns the laws of physics, but the word short circuit for some unknown reason, known from childhood, instantly give a reaction associated with danger to life and health. School physics course. Any consumer of electric current powered from an outlet, be it a kettle, iron, or TV, is a kind of resistance source that simultaneously converts the electrical energy of the circuit, which it closes when the plug is plugged into the outlet, into thermal or mechanical energy. If, for any reason, the circuit closes without the participation of the above devices, a condition will arise for the operation of the so-called Joule-Lenz law, according to which, in the section of the circuit on which the circuit has occurred, a huge release of thermal energy will instantly occur, significantly exceeding the current flowing through damaged area. It is this thermal energy that leads to mechanical and thermal destruction of the area under discussion. Among other things, serious reasons for the occurrence of a short circuit can be damage to the electrical wiring, the device used itself. A short circuit will result in not taken in time precautions, negligence, improper use of devices. Phase and zero. The most prudent means of protection against short circuit is the use of special fuses made of low-melting materials, which, in the event of the previously discussed thermal and electrical conditions in the circuit, will instantly break the contacts. From a physical point of view, a short circuit is called the connection of points in a circuit with different potentials, namely a certain phase and zero. In addition to the danger posed by a short circuit, this phenomenon also has practical applications, being used for carrying out electric welding, the heating temperature of which sometimes reaches more than 5,000 degrees Celsius. It is possible and necessary to manage such destructive energy. It is only necessary to correctly select special insulating materials that in all parameters will correspond to the indications of electric current, conduct visual inspections, in no case violate the equipment operation technique, de-energize the wiring in case of open work, apply correctly protection or fuses. Thanks for watching.